Welcome to our channel. Today we how to download Shopify Dawn theme for modern storefront UI, full guide step by step clearly. To download the Shopify Dawn theme for your modern storefront UI, begin by logging into your Shopify admin dashboard. Once logged in, navigate to the online store section on the left side menu. Click on Themes under the online store options. In the Themes section, find the theme library area located at the bottom of the page. Click on the Explore Free Themes button. This will take you to the Shopify theme store. In the theme store, use the search bar to type in Dawn and press Enter. Look for the Dawn theme in the search results. Once you find the Dawn theme, click on it to view more details. Review the theme features and screenshots to ensure it meets your needs. If satisfied, click the Add Theme button. The theme will then be added to your theme library. After the upload is complete, return to the Themes section. You will see the Dawn theme listed among your available themes. To publish the Dawn theme, click on the Actions drop-down menu next to the theme. Select Publish from the drop-down options. Confirm any prompts that appear to finalize the publishing process. Once published, click on Customize to begin personalizing your storefront. Explore the customization options to adjust elements like colors, fonts, and layouts. Save your changes frequently to ensure your work is not lost. Finally, preview your storefront to see how the changes appear to visitors. Once you're satisfied, you can start adding products and content to your modern storefront. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.